Tired of spending $10,000 every year just to maintain your SUV? Well, you don't have to anymore, because in this video we'll be talking about 12 SUVs you can buy that won't drain your wallet with expensive upkeep. Some of the models on this list will save you money, while others will reward you with everyday reliability and years of worry-free driving. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 12. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride has quickly become one of the most admired midsize SUVs thanks to its mix of refinement, capability, and affordability. Under the hood, it carries a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 291 horsepower paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain delivers smooth acceleration and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 7.2 seconds. Impressive for a 3-row SUV. Inside, the Telluride stands out with its upscale cabin featuring premium materials, intuitive technology, and seating for up to 8 passengers. On the outside, its bold and boxy design gives it a commanding road presence. More importantly, the Telluride is praised for reliability, low maintenance costs, and excellent long-term durability, making it a smart choice for families who want style, comfort, and peace of mind. Number 11. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX blends luxury and ruggedness in a way few SUVs can match. Powered by a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine producing 301 horsepower, it's not the fastest SUV on the road, but its 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 7.8 seconds is balanced by outstanding off-road capability and bulletproof reliability. The GX's body-on-frame construction, full-time 4-wheel drive, and advanced terrain management systems make it ideal for adventurous drivers. Inside, you'll find a plush, quiet cabin with high-quality leather, wood trim, and the latest Lexus safety features. While its styling is conservative, it radiates durability and timeless appeal. Known for low breakdown rates and long lifespans, the GX is a vehicle you can drive confidently for decades without worrying about costly repairs. Number 10. Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia is a full-size SUV built for power, space, and dependability. Its standard 5.7-liter V8 engine delivers 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, enabling strong towing capacity and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6.7 seconds. This makes it one of the quickest large SUVs in its class. Inside, the Sequoia offers 3 roomy rows, a practical layout, and Toyota's latest infotainment system. Its exterior design emphasizes strength with bold lines and a muscular stance. What truly sets it apart is Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability. Owners consistently report lower maintenance costs compared to other full-size SUVs, and many Sequoias surpass 200,000 miles with ease. For families needing a tough, reliable workhorse, the Sequoia is an unbeatable choice. Number 9. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is a legend in the SUV world, admired for its rugged durability and off-road prowess. It comes with a 4.0-liter V6 engine, producing 270 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. While its 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 7.5 seconds isn't the fastest, the 4Runner shines in terrain where others struggle. Its body-on-frame design, high ground clearance, and available 4-wheel drive systems make it an adventurer's dream. Inside, the cabin is practical, durable, and surprisingly spacious for passengers and cargo. Toyota's reputation for longevity means many 4Runners easily surpass 250,000 miles with minimal issues. Low maintenance costs and outstanding reliability make this SUV one you can trust whether you're driving through city streets or rugged mountain trails. Number 8. Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is one of the longest running nameplates in automotive history, and for good reason. This massive SUV is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 producing 355 horsepower, giving it a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of roughly 7.4 seconds, while higher trims offer even stronger engines. Known for its cavernous interior, the Suburban provides seating for up to 9 passengers and unmatched cargo space, making it a favorite among large families. Its design balances boldness with practicality, and modern models come with advanced tech and safety features. Despite its size, the Suburban is known to be dependable, with many owners reporting years of use without major repairs. If you need space, power, and reliability in one package, the Suburban delivers with confidence. Number 7. Acura MDX. MDX. The Acura MDX offers an appealing combination of luxury, performance, and dependability. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine generates 290 horsepower and provides a smooth 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6.5 seconds. For those wanting more punch, the Type S variant adds a turbocharged V6 with 355 horsepower. Inside, the MDX features a premium, driver-focused cabin with 3 rows of seating, high-quality materials, and advanced infotainment systems. On the outside, its sharp lines and bold grille give it a sophisticated yet sporty look. Where the MDX truly excels is long-term reliability. Acura's engineering ensures fewer mechanical problems and lower maintenance costs compared to European rivals. For buyers seeking a luxury SUV that won't break the bank in repairs, the MDX is a wise investment. Number 6. Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a versatile midsize SUV that offers families the perfect balance of comfort, efficiency, and value. Under the hood, it comes with multiple options, including a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder producing 191 horsepower or a turbocharged version pushing out 281 horsepower. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions are also available, making it one of the most fuel-efficient in its class. The Sorento accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.4 seconds with the turbo engine. Inside, you'll find a modern upscale cabin with 3 rows of seating, advanced tech features, and high-quality materials. The exterior design is sleek and stylish, giving it a premium look without the premium price tag. Known for low repair costs and strong reliability ratings, the Sorento is a smart, worry-free choice. Number 5. Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 combines rugged styling with Mazda's trademark driving dynamics, making it one of the most engaging compact SUVs on the market. It comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower, while a turbocharged variant delivers up to 256 horsepower with premium fuel. The turbo version reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in a brisk 6.6 seconds. Its exterior showcases a muscular, adventurous design with wide proportions, while the cabin features premium finishes, intuitive tech, and a driver-focused layout. The CX-50 also offers excellent handling thanks to Mazda's precision-tuned suspension, making it feel more like a sports car than a typical SUV. Beyond performance, it's also highly dependable and affordable to maintain, giving drivers both excitement and peace of mind. Number 4. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is a family favorite thanks to its roomy interior, excellent reliability, and smooth driving experience. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 285 horsepower, it delivers solid performance with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6.9 seconds. The Pilot's boxy yet modern design gives it a commanding presence, while the interior provides 3 rows of comfortable seating, ample cargo space, and user-friendly technology. Honda's reputation for long-lasting vehicles makes the Pilot a top choice for families who want a dependable SUV with minimal repair worries. Owners consistently report lower maintenance costs compared to rivals, and its resale value remains strong. With its mix of power, practicality, and reliability, the Pilot is built to handle family life for years to come. Number 3. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson has quickly become one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs on the market, offering a perfect balance of practicality, technology, and value. With its bold and modern exterior design, the Tucson stands out among competitors, while its spacious and upscale interior ensures both comfort and convenience for families and commuters alike. Available with multiple powertrain options, including efficient hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions, it caters to drivers who want performance without sacrificing fuel economy. Advanced safety technology such as Hyundai's SmartSense suite comes standard, adding to its appeal as a reliable family vehicle. The Tucson's refined driving dynamics, coupled with an intuitive infotainment system and ample cargo capacity, make it a top choice in its segment. For buyers looking for a stylish, efficient, and affordable SUV that doesn't compromise on features, the Hyundai Tucson is an easy recommendation. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has long been a benchmark in the compact SUV class, thanks to its legendary reliability, spacious interior, and efficient performance. Known for its practicality, the CR-V offers impressive cargo capacity, a roomy back seat, and a refined cabin layout designed with everyday usability in mind. Its available hybrid powertrain delivers excellent fuel efficiency, while the standard turbocharged engine provides a smooth balance of power and economy. Honda's advanced driver assistance systems, like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, further enhance its reputation for safety and peace of mind. The CR-V's strong resale value and low ownership costs add to its enduring appeal, making it a favorite among families, commuters, and long-distance travelers alike. With its combination of reliability, comfort, and innovation, the Honda CR-V continues to dominate its class year after year. Number 1. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is a standout choice for drivers who prioritize capability, safety, and dependability in a compact SUV. Featuring standard all-wheel drive across all trims, it excels in handling diverse road and weather conditions, making it especially appealing for adventure seekers and those living in harsh climates. The Forester boasts excellent visibility, a spacious cabin, and generous cargo space, ensuring comfort and practicality for everyday use and long trips alike. Subaru's EyeSight Safety Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and pre-collision braking, further establishes its reputation as one of the safest SUVs in its class. Known for durability and longevity, the Forester has a loyal following among owners who value reliability. Whether it's for city driving, road trips, or off-road exploration, the Subaru Forester consistently proves itself as one of the most versatile and dependable SUVs available.